Hello, let us discuss about Boyer-Moray algorithm for pattern searching. Definition. Pattern searching is an important problem in computer science. When we search for a string in a notepad or Word file, a browser, or a database, pattern searching algorithms are used to show the search results. A typical problem statement would be: given a text txt from index 0 to n-1, and a pattern PAT from index 0 to m-1, where n is the length of the text and m is the length of the pattern, write a function search character pattern, character text, that prints all occurrences of the pattern in the text. You may assume that n is greater than m. Example. Input, text is AABAACAADAABAABA. Pattern is AABA. Output. Pattern found at index 0. Pattern found at index 9. Pattern found at index 12. Key principles. Boyer-Moray is a combination of the following two approaches: bad character heuristic, good suffix heuristic. Both of these heuristics can also be used independently to search a pattern in a text. Let us first understand how these two independent approaches work together in the Boyer-Moray algorithm. If we look at the naive algorithm, it slides the pattern over the text one by one. The KMP algorithm does pre-processing over the pattern so that the pattern can be shifted by more than one position. The Boyer-Moray algorithm also does pre-processing for the same reason. It processes the pattern and creates different arrays for each of the two heuristics. At every step, it slides the pattern by the maximum of the shifts suggested by each of the two heuristics. So, it uses the greatest offset suggested by the two heuristics at every step. Unlike previous pattern searching algorithms, the Boyer-Moray algorithm starts matching from the last character of the pattern. Bad character heuristic. The idea of the bad character heuristic is simple. The character in the text which does not match with the current character of the pattern is called the bad character. Upon a mismatch, we shift the pattern until one of the following cases occurs. Case 1, the mismatch becomes a match. Case 2, the pattern P moves past the mismatched character. Case 1, mismatch becomes a match. We look up the position of the last occurrence of the mismatched character in the pattern. If the mismatched character exists in the pattern, then we shift the pattern so that it becomes aligned with the mismatched character in the text T. Explanation for case 1. In the above example, we get a mismatch at position 3. Here, the mismatching character is A. Now we search for the last occurrence of A in the pattern. We find A at position 1 in the pattern, shown in blue, and this is the last occurrence of A dot. Now, we shift the pattern 2 times so that A in the pattern gets aligned with A in the text. Case 2 pattern move past the mismatch character. We'll look up the position of last occurrence of mismatching character in pattern, and if character does not exist we will shift pattern past the mismatching character. Example walkthrough. Text GCAATGCCTATGTGACC. Pattern initial __TATGTG. Mismatch. At index 7, the text has AC, while the pattern has AG. Action. Since the character C does not exist anywhere in the pattern tagged, the entire pattern is shifted past the mismatching character. Pattern. Shifted. The pattern now starts at index 8, TATGTG. Explanation for case 2. We have a mismatch at position 7. The mismatching character, C, does not exist in the pattern before position 7, so we'll shift the pattern past position 7. Eventually, in the above example, we have got a perfect match of the pattern, which is displayed in green. We are doing this because C does not exist in the pattern, so at every shift before position 7, we will get a mismatch and our search will be useless. Algorithm Boyette-Moore pattern searching. Step 1. Preprocess the pattern P to construct two tables: the bad character table and the good suffix table. Step 2. Set the shift S equals 0, which represents the initial alignment of the pattern with the text. Step 3. While S is less than or equal to n minus m, perform the following steps. Step 4. Set J equals m minus 1 and start comparison from the rightmost character of the pattern. Step 5. While J is greater than or equal to 0 and P of J equals T of S plus J, decrement J by 1. Step 6. If J is less than 0, the pattern is found at position S. Report the match. Step 7. Shift the pattern using the good suffix rule or shift by 1 if no valid suffix exists. Step 8. If a mismatch occurs at position J, calculate the shift using the bad character rule and the good suffix rule. Step 9. Shift the pattern to the right by the maximum of the two shift values. Step 10. Repeat steps 3 to 9 until the pattern moves past the text. Bad character heuristic. The algorithm optimizes searching by avoiding unnecessary comparisons through two main steps. Pre-processing the pattern, a helper function, Badshah heuristic, creates a table that stores the last occurrence of every character in the pattern. It initializes a table for 256 characters, standard ASCII, with -1. It then iterates through the pattern and records the rightmost index for each character. Case to handling: when a mismatch occurs and the character in the text does not exist in the pattern at all, the algorithm shifts the entire pattern past that mismatching character. This is because any alignment before that point would still result in a mismatch, making those searches useless. The search process. The Boyette-Moore search function executes the actual matching. Right-to-left comparison. Comparisons begin from the end of the pattern, index M1, and move backward. Calculating shifts. If a complete match is found, the starting index is printed. If a mismatch occurs, the pattern shifts forward based on the values in the bad character table to align the text character with its last occurrence in the pattern. Pre-processing the pattern, a helper function, Badshah heuristic, creates a table that stores the rightmost index, last occurrence, of every character in the pattern. It initializes a table for 256 characters, standard ASCII, with -1. It then iterates through the pattern and records the rightmost index for each character found. Case to handling: when a mismatch occurs at a specific position, example position 7, and the character in the text does not exist in the pattern anywhere before that position, the algorithm shifts the entire pattern past that mismatching character. This is done because any alignment before that point would still result in a mismatch, making those searches useless. The search process. The Boyette-Moore search function executes the matching logic. Right-to-left comparison. Comparisons begin from the end of the pattern and move backward. Calculating shifts. On match, if a full match is found, the starting index is printed. The next shift is calculated to find the next possible occurrence. On mismatch, the pattern uses the bad character rule to calculate the shift. Int shift is equal to j, but char, text, s plus j. Safety check. The algorithm ensures the pattern always shifts forward by at least one position. Code implementation and output. Example input, text is Ababkar and the pattern is ABC. Output, the program successfully identifies that the pattern is found at index 4. Time complexity of the Boyer-Moray algorithm. Best case. The best case time complexity is O of n by m. This occurs when the pattern characters do not match early in the text. In such cases, large shifts are made using heuristics. So very few character comparisons are needed. Average case. The average case time complexity is O of n. In practice, the Boyer-Moray algorithm performs very efficiently. This is because of large jumps achieved using the bad character heuristic and the good suffix heuristic. Worst case. The worst case time complexity is O of n into m. This occurs when both the text and the pattern contain many repeated characters. In such situations, the heuristics result in very small shifts, leading to more comparisons. Space complexity of the Boyer-Moray algorithm. The space complexity is O of sigma, where sigma represents the size of the character set. For ASCII characters, the value of sigma is 256. Since this value is fixed, the space complexity becomes O of 1, which means constant space. Extra space is mainly used for two tables, the bad character table and the good suffix table if it is used. Conclusion. The Boyer-Moray algorithm is an efficient and widely used pattern matching technique. Unlike traditional algorithms, it compares characters from right to left. By using the bad character and good suffix heuristics, the algorithm can skip large portions of the text. This results in fewer comparisons and faster execution in practice. Although the worst-case time complexity of Boyer-Moray is O of n into m, it performs extremely well on large texts and real-world data. Therefore, the Boyer-Moray algorithm is highly suitable for large-scale string searching applications, such as text editors, search engines, and bioinformatics.